Hey everyone, so in this problem we're going to solve the system of equations using the elimination method. We have x plus 3y equals negative 15 and then negative 3x plus 2y equals 23. Now one thing that we don't notice is we don't have opposites. The coefficient of x is 1 and negative 3, the coefficient of y is 3 and 2. So the first thing that we have to decide is what do we want to eliminate? Well, let's eliminate the x's. So if I look at the x's, a coefficient of 1 and a coefficient of 3, the lowest common multiple of 1 and 3 is 3. So what I want to do is I want both to have a coefficient of 3, one being positive, one being negative. So with my first equation, x plus 3y equals negative 15, I would need to multiply the entire equation by 3. So distribute 3 times x, 3 times 3y, and 3 times negative 15, and we end up with 3x plus 9y is equal to negative 45. With my second equation, negative 3x plus 2y equals 23. Now, I don't really have to multiply it by anything because I already have my negative 3x. So I'll just write it underneath so that I could do the elimination method. So if I add down 3x minus 3x, eliminate. 9y plus 2y is 11y. Negative 45 plus 23 is negative 22. To solve for y, I could divide both sides by 11. So y is equal to negative 2. Now that we know what y is, I could plug it back into my original equation. X plus 3y equals negative 15. So I would have x plus 3 times negative 2 equals negative 15, or x minus 6 equals negative 15. Then add 6 to both sides, and x is equal to negative 9. So the solution to the system as an ordered pair would be negative 9, negative 2. One key takeaway is when finding the lowest common multiple, you want to make sure that they are opposites. So for the x's, we had a positive 3 and a negative 3 to eliminate. Thank you, everyone.